Hey guys, welcome to Rides with Richie. Today we have a scenario here on my beloved Honda Vfr800. So the story here is yesterday during the ride the speedometer stopped working, and then after some time the fuel ignition light came on, and then I did not know what the trouble was. So what I did was I went online and checked the VFR forum and everything, and then I couldn't see a proper video of how to rectify this problem. I thought it was the speedo sensor which is defective, but I thought I might as well go through the connections. So this video is all about how I'm going to do it, and I've found out the problem. I think it is the connection which is the problem, so I'm going through it. So if I may show you over here, I just opened this panel, and let me switch on the bike there and let me show you if it is working right now. So the fuel injection light was blinking one long and one short. That means the speedo sensor was not working yesterday. So here, let me put it in gear and see if it works now. Now look at that, it is not working. The bike is in gear and the wheel is moving. So there is some problem with this connector over here. The moment I move it, look at that, it's working. Yeah, if I flip the throttle, yeah, so that is working. That's it. What the problem is, if you can see inside, I don't know if you can focus, this part is totally corroded. Yeah, there is prominent corrosion over here. Even these parts are dirty. So I need to figure out how to clean this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip this open and then maybe give it a quick clean and then put it back. We'll see how that goes. Haha, look at that. There is grease in this part, and this part is totally corroded. Let's see what's inside in here. There is grease here as well. Looks like there was a problem earlier, but some lazy mechanic has shoved in some grease through this, and the black wire here inside, if you can see, it's totally corroded. So I need to fix this. Let me see what I can do about it. Yes guys, so what I've done over here is I have used the brake cleaner because I don't have the electrical contact cleaner at home right now. So I used the brake cleaner, and you can see the result over here. This is quite clean right now, and this contact is also super clean. It's not super clean, but it's quite clean. It's okay. I checked it already. I plugged it in. It's still working. So what I'm going to do is, so that there is no more corrosion, I'm going to apply some my trusty ACF50, and that works magic. There will be no corrosion for at least next 6 months for sure, if not more than that. So yeah, I'm going to get some ACF50, spray it into this, and then put it back together. And by the way, ACF50 is safe on electrical circuit, guys. It wouldn't cause any short circuit. So that's it. I'll spray some ACF50 and then plug it back together and switch on the bike and see how it goes from there. So guys, what I've done is I've connected this back after spraying some ACF50 onto it so that there is no more corrosion in that particular connector. And so if you see the setup over here, this sleeve goes back on top of it, and then this is held by this clamp over here. I'll put it back together, put the fairing back on, and then switch on the bike and check once again if everything is working fine, and hopefully that should be it. Then I have to erase the code, and there is a way to erase the code as well. I learned that from internet as well, so I might do a quick video of that one in a minute. And make sure that you press all the connectors back, because when you're jiggling this in, there are chances that the connections will come loose, because this is, as we all know, this is a very old bike. It's not very old, but it is quite old. So that's it, and then put this particular clamp back together. Fully. To spray some XC50 over here as well, and then that area was also quite rusty, and then just give it a quick wipe. That's it. So that looks like it's working fine now. So this is the speedometer working. That's it, guys. So this one is fixed. I'm going to put it back together now, and that's the end of this video. Thank you very much. And in case if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and ring the bell icon for getting future notifications. I might be doing a few more videos on this VFR800 over here. So thank you very much for your love and support, guys. Stay safe and safe riding. Thank you.